distemper virus, saan at paano ito nakukuha?
Well, si canine distemper virus po ay isang paramyxovirus na mabilis po yung transmission niya. Pwedeng direct contact, fecal-oral na transmission sa mga droplets, and most especially through airborne transmission po. Kaya mabilis lang po siyang kumakalat, especially sa mga patients po na hindi po vaccinated. Kaya it is very important to keep your pet's vaccination updated po talaga. And always bring them to your veterinarian for general checkup as well.